Hi friends, I'm Anand Chandra, PGP 2002-2004 batch. I have worked from campus. I joined ICICI Bank and was there in the bank for almost 8+ years before I moved out on my own with a couple of my colleagues from ICICI Bank and started the company called Arya Collateral Warehousing Services Private Limited. Currently, I am the executive director at Arya Collateral. My memories about Manage can be summarized in one word, which is freedom. The freedom to do whatever we wanted, moving around, freedom to do the courses which we wanted. Also, there was a freedom earlier provided us to get the faculty which we wanted. So that freedom is what is missing from our lives now. See, the biggest challenge is the mindset challenge which we overcome, which one has to overcome if you have to move from your corporate world to start your own entrepreneurial journey. The biggest challenge is the mindset, as I said, because we get used to this slavery called as salary. We get used to those salary, we get used to those lifestyle, and it is very difficult for us to move out from that salary structures to try something new. So if you decide that you have to move out of that salary structure or that slavery, sky's no longer the limit, because man have penetrated space. I would again go to Professor Srinivasan, who taught us QAB and the quant test, because firm believers in numbers is what counts the best. So what I learned from him is something which I still carry in quantifying things. Transformation. There's a huge transformation which was brought into us, and the biggest thing which transformation does is we all became a bunch of confident guys when we left here. So that is what I would say is the transformation it brought, especially to me as an individual, is the confidence which I got when I left Manage. I think Manage has been abreasted with what are the things happening. I don't see much of a changes which are required in the curriculum as of now, but they're all well on track. This keeping abreast with the changes in the sector, they should get more people from industry to interact is what makes a difference. These are testing times, COVID-19, these are testing times for the the current batches which are there in Manage, but I'm sure these are times which will pass through. Have an open set of mind, or be open to learning. That's what will take you a long distance. You have more than 35 years of career left, so there's nothing to panic if 1 year is there.